All rounds, guys.
Copy.
Copy.
Good luck.
Tatas.
Uy, bawal ko ripot, sir, ha? Gold rounds tayo, ha? Yung mga mahuling nag-standard na shell dyan.
Hit lahat ng bala ko.
Yan, ganyan.
Let's get the fun started.
E100, once they are assaulting Dicey Road, you just pull back and wait for the reinforcement. Copy. Sigil pala.
I7, hold
Baka tier 1 lang yung kalaban.
Do you see what I see?
Wala, ilan lang sila na amoy ko. Wait.
Ace, ingat may shot sa'yo dyan.
TD, relocate here. TD. No. Foch in the two Foch. I got you dito ka lang. T57 heavy. T57 heavy. Come here also. Madjani not. Ace tanker, may tanker dito. Okay, wag muna. Ay, dyan, wala.
Sir, baka may harang dalawang mouse sa gitna.
Okay, I got you dito ka. Saan ka doon? Doon. Snipein mo tong gitna. Dito. I7, kindly spot them. Kung anong tank. Spotted ka ba, Pat?
Negative.
Hindi, spotted ka ba?
Wala pa akong Sinong meron?
Kung our teams, spotted ka?
Hindi naman. Naka-full
Okay, okay, waffle tank. Proceed here. Ace, maniobray mo kung may tanke dito.
Oh, look! There they are!
Waffle, Bromance and Beninar. Go to the road.
Chieftain, grounded yata yung mic mo. Oo nga, sakit eh. Sakit sa tenga.
Walang kalaban, no? A100, go here. A100, go down. Copy. Ace, wag ka muna tumawid, Ace. Bantayan mo muna A100. Waffle tank, you cross the bridge here.
There they are!
Wala sa IC Road. Tatlo lang sila. Nagpakabayani yung tatlong yan.
Baka meron pa yan sa loob.
Copy! Confirmed radar sighting!
100, take this area here. The corner. Corner, don't assault.
Ace, SMG?
Guys, they are using HE, okay? Guy got you, halika na.
Check the radar.
Here they come. E4.
I7, go up. Go up, I7, go up.
User joined your channel.
Hide the stone, hide the stone. Hide up the stone.
Ayaw na nila sumilip, Brad. Isang tira lang ayaw na
Becky!
nila.
Go with the Patriction, I7, I7, go with Patriction.
E4 and
Patrick,
FB
Brian.
ang nasa taas.
I7, go with Patriction, okay? Chieftain, doon ka sa mga I7. Waffle, try to look here what tank is inside.
We found their hidey holes.
My God, M103. Balato nyo na sa akin yan.
A100, hold first.
IS4.
A100, hold first.
Copy, sir.
Okay, I7 go inside slowly. Broman, stop muna. Beninar, hold. Let the I7 go in front. I7, go in front. Alan, dito ka na. Fots, tayong papasok. E100, pasok na, tandahan. Tara, autoloaders, come. Waffle Trigger, Beninar and Bromance,
There is a rock
assist the I7, okay?
on my side. Be careful, FB1B nasa dulo.
Alan and I got you. Guard our back. Kung ano yung mga bababa dyan.
Copy.
Diyan ka, dito ako.
IS4 muna, oh. Ingat, IS7
IS4, last shot, aiming, and fire. It's dead. IS7.
Stuck yung Haley, ah.
Yun, no?
Nakastuck.
Sure na baka brutal nyo. Pa-score nyo naman sila.
Uno.
O, tumalo na yung IS7. Pwede na yan.
Okay, no one will die guys ha. Ace tanker o papakapatay.
Magpakamatay ang isa.
Nice work, guys.
3 minutes.
Hopeless na sila mga Brad eh. Ganun talaga yun.
Tapusin nyo na yan. 3 minutes.
Doon. Sa patay. IS8 nag-dive.
Oh!
Akin yan. Nag-dive pa siya. Oh!
Okay lang yan, madami kang tangke.
Nice one.
Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Hindi, pasok. Last 2 minutes.
May boses manyak.